Dear students, now our topic is classification of chromatographic methods. There are different types of chromatography: adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography, ion exchange, molecular or size exclusion chromatography, and affinity chromatography. Dear students, first type is adsorption chromatography. As you can see in picture, this is stationary phase and solute is adsorbed on the surface of stationary phase. What is stationary phase? Stationary phase is a solid on which the sample components that are solute are adsorbed. Mobile phase may be a liquid. When it is liquid, it is called liquid solid chromatography, or it is a gas. Then it is called gas solid chromatography. The more strongly a solute is adsorbed, the slower it travels through the column. एक सोल्यूट की अगर स्टेशनरी फेस के साथ ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन है तो वो स्लोली मोबाइल के फेस के साथ इल्यूट होगा. The sample components distribute between two phases through a combination of absorption and desorption process. Adsorption and desorption process. Absorption means their interaction with stationary phase and desorption process means their interaction with mobile phase. Students, these are my own lectures that I have prepared by consulting different books. Thin layer chromatography is a special example of adsorption chromatography in which stationary phase is a plane surface in the form of a solid that is supported on an inert plate and mobile phase is a liquid. यानी TLC में एक प्लेट होती है, उस प्लेट के ऊपर एक सॉलिड सरफेस को कोट कर दिया जाता है, उसको फिर स्टेशनरी फेज के तौर पर यूज़ किया जाता है. सेकेंड टाइप इज़ पार्टीशन क्रोमेटोग्राफी. Stationary phase of partition chromatography is a liquid. As its name indicate, it is partition chromatography, means stationary phase is a liquid and mobile phase is also a liquid. That is why it is called liquid chromatography. Mobile phase may be a gas, then it is called gas liquid chromatography. It is a cross section of an open tubular column. Solute is dissolved in liquid phase. Liquid phase means liquid stationary phase that is bonded to surface of column. Because in partition chromatography, our stationary and mobile phases both are liquids. Mobile phase may be a gas. Now solute equilibrates between stationary liquid and mobile phase, which may be flowing gas or liquid. Now in partition chromatography, there are two modes of operation. One is normal mode of operation, which is liquid partition. A polar stationary phase, for example, methanol on silica, is used with a non-polar mobile phase. Yani when there is normal mode of operation, then stationary phase is polar and mobile phase is non-polar. That may be hexane or any other non-polar solvent. This favors retention of polar compounds on stationary phase and illusion of non-polar compounds and is called normal phase chromatography. ऐसा ही होगा, स्टेशनरी फेज हमारी पोलर है, इस वजह से पोलर कंपोनेंट जो है उस पर रिटेन कर जाएंगे और जो नॉन पोलर कंपोनेंट्स हैं उससे ल्यूट हो जाएंगे इजीली, क्योंकि हमारा जो मोबाइल फेज है वो नॉन पोलर है. Now when non-polar stationary phase is used with a polar mobile phase, the non-polar solutes are retained more easily and polar solutes more readily eluted. This is called reverse phase chromatography and it is very important topic. पेपर्स में नॉर्मल फेज क्रोमेटोग्राफी एंड लिक्विड फेज क्रोमेटोग्राफी की डेफिनेशंस, जिनका डिफरेंस, जिनकी एग्जांपल ज़रूर आती है. थर्ड टाइप इज़ आयन एक्सचेंज क्रोमेटोग्राफी. Ion exchange chromatography uses an ion exchange resin as stationary phase. Resin होता है जिस पर ions होते हैं, cations and anions, as you can see in this picture. and this raises exchange its anions and cations with either stationary phase or mobile phase. The mechanism of separation is based on ion exchange equilibria, such as SO3 minus sulfite ion or cations such as NCH3 taken 3 plus are covalently attached to the stationary phase. These ion exchange resins ion exchange resin के ions होते हैं cations and anions जो कि stationary phase के साथ covalently attach होते हैं. Solute ions of oppositely charged are attracted towards stationary phase. Of course वो stationary phase की तरफ attract होंगे. Opposite charge वाले positive वाले negative की तरफ आएंगे, negative वाले positive की तरफ आएंगे. By electrostatic force. Mobile phase is a liquid. Ions are separated on the basis of their charge and interaction with stationary phase. Of course उनकी अगर stationary phase के साथ interaction ज़्यादा होगी तो वो slow separate होंगे, अगर कम होगी तो वो easily separate हो जाएंगे. The other type is molecular and molecular exclusion or size exclusion chromatography. This chromatography is based on size. It is also called gel filtration or gel permeation chromatography. This technique separates molecules by their size with the larger fluids passing through most quickly. Larger size के जो होंगे sample के particles वो easily pass out हो जाएंगे. In ideal case of molecular exclusion or size exclusion, there is no attractive interaction between stationary phase and solute. Size exclusion में stationary phase solute के दरम्यान में इतनी ज़्यादा interaction नहीं होती, इसीलिए वो easily pass out हो जाते हैं. Rather, liquid or gaseous mobile phase passes through porous gel. The pores are small enough to exclude large solute molecules but not small ones. जो हमारी जेल होती है यानी जो हमारा स्टेशनरी फेज़ होता है वो पोरस होती है, उसके अंदर से लार्ज पार्टिकल्स उसके अंदर एंटेंगल नहीं होंगे, इसलिए वो इजीली एक्सक्लूड हो जाएंगे, लेकिन स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स उसके अंदर एंटेंगल हो जाएंगे. लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल स्ट्रीम पास विदाउट एंटरिंग द पोर्स. स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स टेक लॉन्गर टू पास. उनको ज़्यादा मोबाइल फेज़ का फ्लो चाहिए होता है थ्रू द कॉलम. They enter the gel and therefore must flow through larger volume before leaving the column. This is diagram of molecular exclusion or size exclusion chromatography. You can see larger molecules, they are excluded easily, and small molecules are entangled in the gel. You can use these diagrams in your exam in every university. Affinity chromatography. You can see affinity chromatography diagram. This is one kind of molecules in complex mixture that becomes attracted towards the molecules that is covalently bonded to the stationary phase. इसमें क्या होता है, affinity है, एक टाइप के molecules की stationary phase की किसी टाइप के साथ interaction ज़्यादा हो जाती है और दूसरे molecules जिनकी shape size different होता है वो easily pass out हो जाते हैं. Most selective kind of chromatography employs specific interactions between one kind of solute molecule and a second molecule that is covalently attached or immobilized to stationary phase. Stationary phase के साथ different molecules भी attach हो सकते हैं, उनके साथ sample के किसी molecule की interaction हो जाए. For example, immobilized molecule might be an antibody. Immobilized molecule, the molecule that is on stationary phase. For example, that is an antibody to a particular protein, and different type of proteins are in our sample. One protein has interaction with one type of antibody, so only that protein will attach with that antibody. All other proteins will pass out the column. When a mixture containing 1,000 proteins is passed through the column, only one protein that reacts with the antibody binds to the column. After all other solutes have been washed from the column, The desired protein is dislodged by changing pH or ionic strength. Protein that is attached to antibody on the stationary phase that is separated from that antibody by changing either pH और ionic strength. अगर हमने उस प्रोटीन को यूज़ करना है तो हम उसे कैसे एंटीबॉडी से सेपरेट करेंगे? बाय चेंजिंग pH और ionic strength.